Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will be building this very large speaker. The goal is to create the most extreme portable speaker possible that will be able to reach extreme sound pressure levels. It's going to be using a 600 watt amplifier that's going to be powering a 12-inch woofer in a bandpass cabinet. It's also going to use a 12-inch midtone and a compression driver as the tweeter. Since the summer of 2017 have I been on the quest to make the best portable speaker possible. And I've been building a few speakers here and there, and some have been pretty decent, but none of them have been something truly amazing. Lately I've gotten in touch with an audio engineer who has been helping me throughout this project. He has provided me with some very good speaker units, and he has also done the calculations to give the cabinet the right volumes. So I presented the idea of a portable speaker for him, and then he got to work, and this is what he came up with: a 12-inch woofer in a bandpass cabinet and another 12-inch speaker unit, along with a compression driver in a smaller enclosed box. And this turned out to give really powerful bass and also great midtones and high notes. So I started off by designing the speaker here in Fusion 360, and then I went into the cam workspace, where I did all the tool paths so I could cut out the wood on my CNC router. This is what one of the side panels looked like after it had been cut out on the CNC. Seeing that all the 3D printed components fit so nicely was a very proud moment. The speaker must have replaceable batteries, and therefore I've designed some battery boxes that slide into the side of the speaker where they are locked in securely. The base ports have a 3D printed coupler that makes it very easy to adjust the length of the ports. I made a battery management system using an Arduino Nano, so the system is continuously checking how much voltage that is on each cell of the battery, and if it gets too low it's going to turn off the power. It's also going to indicate how much power that's left using an RGB LED. So the RGB LED will change color from green to red depending on how much power that's left. So now everything is ready and it's time to assemble everything. I'm using Loctite's PL Premium to glue the cabinets together.